Okay, now we take out these 3 screws. This bracket was over here, this bracket was right over here. I took the 3 screws out. Let's see. It was right here, so I took the 3 screws out there. 1, 2, 3. Took them out. And you lift that up. Put that screw up there. Now pry this out. Pry tool and you pry out this part here because you gotta get to the back of this. It's all the way under the LCD screen. So we're gonna pry this out. There you go. Pry that out. Then you're gonna take this part here out. Pry this. This is part of the digitizer. So you're gonna take this out too. Finally that's out. It was all the way under the LCD screen. You have to connect to this board. And then you can just peel back this. You can just peel back here. The sharp, but a thin blade. You can peel back this part here. Right there. Pause it for a second.